Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Inkscape in your laptop. So let's get straight into it. First, go to Google or whichever browser you're using and type in Inkscape. Now click on it and go to the official website of Inkscape and you will see section right here, download. All right. Now you have here some options. So you can install this for Linux, Windows, Mac OS, and so on. Now you will choose here your operating system, whatever you have. So I have Windows, so I will click on Windows. 64-bit version, so this is this one. Click on it, and now here you can choose how you will install it through exe, MSI, compressed, basically zip file. So this just started downloading, but I will go with exe file, and now download started for me. It will take around 2 minutes, as you can see. It's 100 megabytes, and when this downloads to my computer, I will just install it, and then this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. That shows you how you can download Inkscape. Yeah, so consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.